Hi everyone, welcome to P-Titus Concept. I want to make a quick video about the micro USB to USB adapter. You see this little guy right here is one of the most apt tools for everyone with a creative mind, whether you're a graphics designer, a singer, or a content creator. So what's the function? I know you are probably wondering. Okay, it allows you to connect accessories directly to your smartphone. Think of any accessory that you normally connect to a computer via USB. You can now connect it to your phone. That includes a mouse. You can connect your mouse, your printer, USB microphone, a flash drive, a soundbar, mini controller, and many more. In fact, the audio of this video is being recorded, the audio is being recorded using USB microphone that is directly connected to my smartphone. This connection is called OTG, which stands for on the go. It means you can now see your Android, smartphone, and iPhone as a mini computer capable of getting the job done while still staying portable inside your pocket. Now, this video is not a promotional video, just a useful tip. You can get this product at any local store that sells smartphone accessories or on online platforms like Jumia and Temu. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, share and follow for more. See you next time.